Kia's future models, particularly in 2025, highlight the company's focus on electric vehicles, EVs, and cutting-edge technology. Here are some notable upcoming models. 1. Kia EV4, a battery electric sedan expected in 2025, offering an advanced design and innovative features. 2. Kia PV5, an electric van designed for different purposes, including passenger, cargo, and wheelchair-accessible models. 3. Kia EV9 GT, a high-performance electric SUV with over 500 horsepower, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. It also features electronically controlled suspension and virtual gear shifting. 4. Kia Tasman, a mid-size pickup truck expected in 2025, offering unique design and features. 5. Kia Carnival, a fourth-generation MPV with a refreshed design, updated interior, and a hybrid powertrain option. These models reflect Kia's push towards electric and hybrid vehicles, marking a significant step in their strategy for sustainable and innovative transportation.
Subscribe to my channel.